Hello, welcome back to one of my new videos. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a QR code label that you can use so many things. You can use that to give away like a business card, and instead of typing everything, the user or the person who gets your card will have to scan it to get all the information. Or you can use it and hand it to your guests in your house that your phone or their phone will scan it, and they can log into your Wi-Fi, get your Wi-Fi information. Another use, you can use it as a logo for your business or stickers, and actually you can do multiple colors and have add your own personality to it. As you see on my screen now, I have a cast of my Android phone using one of the Microsoft application that can display the screen of your phone and actually can control it. It's very interesting. You can do everything here. So first thing is you have to download the QR generator from your app store if you have an iPhone, or from Google Play if you use an Android like I have here. Once you do that, everything else from there will be the same. It's the same exact app. So let's start it and see what we have. Once you open that application on your phone, you will see that create QR code and generate will be ready once you decide to what you type there. You have different options in the bottom here. So basically your input is either text, so you can type some text in here, or you can use a website, which means you will have a link in there, contact information, so you have to put someone's name, phone number, email, and everything else related to a person's contact information. And also you have the option for Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi would need to put some very important and sensitive information here. So I would say be careful with what you do with it after that, once you create the QR label. Okay, also you can put a phone number here, SMS message. I have not tested that yet, but I'm sure I will. You put the reception information and you put the message here, and let's see what's gonna happen to it after. I wouldn't go into Instagram and WhatsApp because this is other options. However, I think that is maybe later as an add-on. I will look into these and add them. Let's start with the text. So if I fill a text here, I'm gonna put my name and maybe YouTube. Let's create by clicking that create button. And here you go, the label is created already with all the information you typed. Very easy and simple and straightforward. There are more options now you can choose from. Using templates, it will allow you to go straight with a pre-customized features like this one here, and you can just print or use that label right away. Some of these labels or these options are for the full version, you have to pay for it. But like this feature here, you can create your own color and customize it. This color, for example, had to be in the full version, but others you can create or choose from different colors and even a picture background, as you see here. Going back, and we have dots, and this will let you change the form or the shape of the dot that you have in your cue bar, like circles, diamonds, and other shapes, as you see right there. Again, some of them you have to have the full version. Now there is eyes, which can change the eye shape or format. This one is to put logo in the back of your label, like Facebook, like Twitter, YouTube. It's very nice and presentable to others. Next, we can start by adding text option. You can type your own text that will go right under the label, which can be instructions or anything for the person they're going to use your cue bar label. The most important now is to save your label, and when you click on save, it's going to tell you right down below where the file is saved. Right here, a message will pop up and show you where it was saved. So let's save it and look quick at it and see. Okay, so now we generated the QR code labels, and all I did was going into my image browser and on my phone, and it's you should look for QR code generator folder, and within there you will find whatever you saved from working on that QR code application. If you open any of them, I actually can go into my other phone here and try to read it. It actually reads immediately that what I did here, what I typed inside my cue bar code. I created two of them, which they both are the same. So if I go here and do that and read again, I can see that it immediately reads all the information I had on my cue bar. One thing I wanted to go back and cover again is to go through the application here, the cue bar creator or create cue bar code. This application has all these options like I mentioned. It's very interesting that if you create a website cue bar code, whatever you type in here, it will open and you create that cue bar code image, and you read it with another phone, it will actually read that label and give you the option to open the URL that you will enter. Same thing here, it will show you this information. Wi-Fi, when you create that, with you have to type the SSID and the security type and password. The only thing, this is a little concern, because you will read, when you read it with the phone, you will read everything and it will be in plain text. Okay, so let's say what else? Phone number. Actually, if you type a phone number here and you read it later from the cue bar label, the phone will give you the option to call the number or just copy it and do whatever you want with it. And same for SMS, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Kind of simple information that you store into your QR code label, and will allow you to read that information back on whatever phone you use, and give you the option to either copy it, use it, or quick access to it, like dial or uh, the website from the URL, or connect to a Wi-Fi, something like that. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I presented something that simple and help you create your QR code labels and have fun with them. Be safe.